Welcome to Cued Speech Word of the Day, brought to you by SignCueQuest, the app that includes the Cued Speech Adventure game. Our word today is program. Program's made with the 1 to the side, 3 side forward row, 7 to the side, 3 to the throat, ran, and 5 to the side, Put them together for program. I am a programmer. The university offers a program for business management. My radio program airs at 2 o'clock each day. You will succeed if you stick with the program. According to the program, our daughter will play fourth. Which TV program is your favorite? Did you know? For families new to cueing. Is your family new to cueing? Or do you know a family that wants to start using cueing for their deaf child? The National Cued Speech Association, NCSA, has many resources to help new cuers. Their URL is cuedspeech.org and the link is given below. One cool service offered for families new to cueing is a free Deaf Children's Literacy Project, DCLP, Parent Kit. This kit includes many useful resources for the new cueing family. In the next Word of the Day video, which will be Word 234, Animal, I'll explain exactly what those resources are. In the meantime, I encourage you to check out NCSA at cuedspeech.org. Thank you to my sources listed here on my Hall of Fame. The links for these sources are given below this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time for another Word of the Day. Have fun with your Cued Speech adventures.